Hello guys! Today we'll show you how to set up your first Elfsight widget, whether you already have an account or not. If you don't have Elfsight account yet, you're likely to start with this homepage. To start creating widgets, just click this Explore Widgets button. Let's for example choose Instagram feed. Click Create Widget for free and you will see a widget demo. Here you can choose a template for the widget which you like more. Now you can start customizing it. We set source and wait when it collects posts. You can adjust settings and design in these tabs on the left. If you're stuck with settings, please check our detailed guides for most widgets in our Help Center, link in the description. Once you finish with customizing it, click Add to Website for free. Now, as you don't have an account, you'll need to register. You can choose Google, Facebook, or just continue with email. After that, our widget opens in our account. Now hit Publish button in the upper corner and choose a plan. You can start with a free one, no card required. Now, move to step 3 of the video, which shows how to get a widget installation code. If you're already registered and logged in your Elfsight account, in order to create a new app, click Add New App on the left. Choose the app. Select a template. Template is just a sample for you. You can always change all settings later. Configure its settings to your liking. Once you're done, hit Publish. Choose Plan, starting from the free one. Let's move to the next step. Now, once we've created our first widget, we're ready to install it. To do it, we need to get widget installation code, which we'll add to the website. To get it, click Install in your dashboard. Here's the code. Copy it and add to your website backend. Under the code, you can see links to instructions for all most popular platforms. You can also request free installation assistance at this tab. We'll be happy to assist. Check our other videos and Help Center articles to dive deeper in our service. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.